What is the concept of electronic engineering?
The electronics field is considered one of the main industrial fields, and all existing sciences and techniques are somehow related to this science. So that in this science it is clearly seen from the tools of daily life to the most complex space technologies. Undoubtedly, in order to find the right place for this science in countries, the foundations of education in this field must be firmly established and based on scientific planning. The field of electronics in conservatories is considered one of the most basic and appropriate starting points for learning this science. Now electronic science is keeping pace with the ever-increasing development of technology in every way, and it has penetrated into people's lives and is progressing. And it will affect people's lives in the near future. Currently, the field of electronics is the most important technical and engineering field in universities and conservatories. And those who have knowledge of mathematics and physics have a higher understanding and analysis power and can achieve more success in this field. Contrary to the mentality that some people have, they finally think that an electronics graduate can repair audio and television, but it is not so. The field of electronics has various trends that are in sync with the progress of modern science, such as computer, electromechanics, robotics, bioelectricity, artificial intelligence and control, etc., which will be more job market for graduates in the near future.
Objectives of digital and electronic education in my channel. 1. Simple to professional home electronics repair. 2. PCB design and manufacturing of electronic circuits. 3. Assembly of electronic components on the PCB board. 4. Installation and operation of simple electronic equipment. 5. Installation of professional electronic equipment. 6. Supervision of small assembly and production workshops. 7. Work with measuring devices. 8. Reading electronic schematics. 9. Design and manufacture of amplifiers and audio systems. 10. How telecommunications and communication systems work and function. 11. How to work and function of digital circuits and computer hardware. 12. How electronic components work and function.
introducing some electronic parts. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. In electronic circuits, resistors are used to reduce current flow, regulate signal levels, divide voltage, bias active elements, and terminate transmission lines, among others. A capacitor is an electrical device with two terminals that can store energy in the form of an electrical charge. It consists of two electrical conductors that are separated from each other by a distance. The space between the conductors may be filled with a vacuum or with an insulating material called a dielectric. A diode is a semiconductor device that basically acts as a one-way switch for current. This allows current to flow easily in one direction, but severely restricts current from flowing in the opposite direction.
A transistor is a miniature semiconductor that regulates or controls current or voltage and acts as a switch, gate for these electrical signals in addition to amplifying and generating them. An integrated circuit, IC, sometimes called a chip, microchip, or microelectronic circuit, is a semiconductor wafer on which thousands or millions of small resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors are built. To support me, subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Press the bell button for notifications. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. Share my videos. Write me a comment. Thank you.